In this video, I will show you how to add a restaurant menu to your Shopify store quickly and easily. The first thing that we need to do is open up Elfsight. This is the tool that we will be using to build the widget, and I've linked it in the description below. Go ahead and click on that link and it will take you straight over to this page. This link also ensures that everything connects properly when we embed it. From here, just enter your email into this box to sign up for free, and then on this next page, create your password. Just like that, we are signed up and ready to go. Okay, so once we are signed up to Elfsight and we have access to all of the Elfsight widgets, the widget that we are specifically looking for is restaurant menu. So to go ahead and find this, we can come up to this top corner and we simply want to search for restaurant. So we can start typing this in, and right here we can see the restaurant menu widget. So we can open this up, and it's now going to ask us to choose from one of these templates. So we have like a fast food restaurant, we have a coffee house, a healthy restaurant right here, a cocktail bar, a family restaurant. Keep in mind that this is all completely customizable, so just choose the one that you like the best, and we can customize this completely. So we just select the template, and then in here, inside of menus, this is where we can set up our menu. So with this one, we have all of these different menus at the top. So for example, we can click into the pizza menu, and in here, we can go ahead and customize everything from the name, the caption right here, the icon that shows up. And then right here, we have each of the items. So we can either click in and we can customize this, change the name, change the caption, change the price, the image right here, add some badges, some nutritional information. Or we can just delete these and then we can start from scratch. We can add in all of the menu items. So that's how we would do the pizza one. And then we can go over to the burgers menu right here and we can customize this. We can even go down and delete these menus. We can add in new menus if we would like to. This is how we can customize the menu area. We can then go down to layout, and in here, this is where we can choose if we want these different tabs or if we want a list view. So we can just scroll down and see all of the different menus in here. We can then choose the number of columns. We can change the width, which I wouldn't really recommend doing because it's just going to destroy the dimensions. So I would just leave this as it is. We can then choose if we want the menu title on, if we want the icon on as well. And then down here inside of item, we can choose a layout for each of these items and how they are going to look. We can choose the elements that are displayed in here as well if we would like to. We can also choose if we want to allow people to click on and get some more information. So we can turn this on or off. And if this is off, well, we just can't click into it. And then finally, we can come down into the style area right here, and we can change things like the accent color for the menu. We can change the theme if we have a light or dark website, or if you have another color, we can set that all up right here. We can then change things like the font. We can come down and change the menu style right here and all of the different fonts and things like this. We can change the item fonts. And once we have this all set up and created, we just want to click on publish in this top corner. From here, Elfsight is then going to take us over to this page and we can choose a plan on this page. So I recommend starting out on this free plan just to test this out on your website, put it on your website and make sure it looks how you would like it to look. And then with these paid plans, you can go ahead and upgrade at any time, depending on the amount of views that you get. From here, once we have selected that plan, we're going to be given a piece of code. And with this code, this is how we are going to put this on our website. So we just click on copy code right here, and then we can open up our Shopify editor. In the editor, we add a new section. And in here, inside of add section, we want to go ahead and add custom liquid. So we can just type this in, custom liquid right here. Once this loads in, we just go over to liquid code and we paste the code into this box. And just like this, after a few seconds, the restaurant menu that we just created is now going to be added to our Shopify store.